Dear students, let us begin with the third part of the lesson, in which you will learn about exploring bivariate and manifold frequency tables. Variable selection. Choose the appropriate variables to include in your analysis. Univariate frequency tables focuses on a single variable, while bivariate frequency tables examine the relationship between two variables. Exploring manifold frequency tables in SPSS involves analyzing the relationship between multiple categorical variables. Cell and marginal frequencies. Examine the frequencies within each cell of manifold frequency table. These frequencies represents the count or proportion of the cases that fall into specific combinations of categories across the variables. Pay attention to the marginal frequencies, which are the sums of frequencies in each row and column. They provide information about the overall distribution of individual variables and help assess the importance of the relationships observed in the manifold frequency table. Row and column percentage. They gain a deeper understanding of the relationship between variables in a bivariate frequency table. Calculate and interpret row and column percentages. These percentages show the distribution of one variable within the categories of another variable. Visualizations. Consider using visual representations such as stacked bar charts to better visualize the relationship among the categorical variables in the manifold frequency table. SPSS provides option to create this visualization directly from the frequency table. Chi-square test. Conduct a chi-square test of independence to determine if there is a statistically significant relationship between the two categorical variables in a bivariate frequency table. SPSS can perform this test and provide the associated p-value. Cross tabulation. Use the cross tab procedure in SPSS to create a contingency table that displays the frequencies and relationship between multiple categorical variables. This procedure allows you to explore the joint distribution of the variables. No formula is needed for cross tabulation, since cross tabulation score its count and percentages of observations. For bivariate analysis, use the crosstab function in SPSS to create contingency table that displays the frequencies and relationship between two categorical variables. For creating cross tabulation, you select Analyze menu. From the Analyze menu, click Descriptive Statistics, then click Cross tab. Cross tabulation with SPSS. In the cross tab option, we may see row box and column box. Here you want to select the variable whether it is a row or either column. Then click Continue and OK. Then we will get the cross tab statistics. Here we may check the chi-square option. Then click and continue. Then click OK. Click on the cells button. You will present with the following cross tab cell display dialog box. Here we will see the counts under observed, expected, hide small counts. Here we will check the observed options. Then in the percentage you check the row or column or total. Here whatever you want, just click the options, then click continue and click OK. Output of the cross tabulation. This table allows us to understand that both males and females prefer to learn using online material versus books. Here we see the contingency table, either male and female, and the top of the table preferred learning medium, either books or online. These are the counts, these are the percentage. Here the last column total indicates the total percentage. Similarly, in the bottom we will see the column percentage. Chi-square test table. These are the outputs we will get from the cross tabulation. Here we will see the Pearson chi-square value, that is 0.487, and the degrees of freedom 1. Then the significant value is 0.485, which means that there is no significant relation between gender and the preferred learning of the medium. This bar chart displays the corresponding count of that particular variable. Here blue indicates the books and green indicates the online. Dear students, let us summarize what we have learned in this lesson. This module provides a detailed explanation of the step-by-step procedure for preparing charts and graphs in SPSS. It focused on the process of visualizing data using SPSS software to effectively present and analyze the data. In part 2, explored the concept of univariate analysis and highlighted how frequency table can be used to summarize categorical data. In part 3, the focus is on exploring bivariate and manifold frequency tables in SPSS. It introduced the concept of bivariate analysis and demonstrated how to create frequency tables using two variables. I hope the concepts are clear to you. We have completed our lesson on exploring different statistical graphs and tables. Thank you.